Welcome to our class on developing compelling character arcs. Today, we'll guide you through the essentials of crafting characters that grow and evolve throughout your story. A well-crafted character arc involves a character's emotional or psychological growth. This journey is what makes your characters feel real and relatable to your audience. We'll start by exploring the three main types of character arcs: positive, negative, and flat. Each type offers unique opportunities for storytelling. A positive arc shows a character overcoming challenges and growing stronger. This is often seen in hero's journey narratives. In contrast, a negative arc depicts a character's decline, often due to poor choices or external pressures. This can add depth and complexity to your story. A flat arc, however, involves a character who remains largely unchanged but impacts the world around them. This type can be powerful in its own right. Planning your character's journey is crucial. Outline their starting point, key events that trigger change, and their final transformation to ensure a natural evolution. By the end of this class, you'll have the tools to create characters that resonate and leave a lasting impression. Let's get started on crafting unforgettable character arcs.